Hey mina vänner, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you along with me to IKEA in Sweden so we can check out what's new for winter 2021 and get some inspiration for our Christmas decorating. There are so many affordable options for the holidays, and this year they really have a focus on minimal, nature-inspired decor. These rattan baskets are perfect for keeping your blankets in. Freshen up your sofa by switching to some velvety pillow covers. Layering rugs can really cozy up a room. During these dark days in Sweden, we can't get enough light. Paper stars in the windows, candles. These gingerbread votives are my favorite. Lighting is the easiest way to create a mood, and they have so many affordable options to choose from for string lights. Since poinsettias are poisonous to pets, artificial is definitely the way to go. I'm really loving the green they've added this year. Typically, Christmas in Sweden is heavily red and white focused. I love how they're displaying the boxes wrapped in each paper so that it's easy to visualize what your gifts will look like. If you don't want to go the paper option, they also have reusable boxes and burlap bags. These felt pine cones are great if you have pets or kids, so they won't break if they fall off the tree. And these woodland ornaments are just adorable. They've also added the green to the food storage containers, but as you can see, they are selling out fast. There are so many traditional ornaments in sizes to fit your mini tree, all the way up to a full-size tree, which you can also buy here. And of course, no Swedish winter would be complete without glögg and baking gingerbread houses, or at least assembling them if you don't have time to bake. Thanks for shopping with me today, and please subscribe. Hej då!